Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the second method of installing CP2K, which is the package manager of your system. And basically here I use Ubuntu and then it is apt install. So you could check what is the command by typing cp2k.popt, and then it will say that okay, the command has not been found, but you can install with this command. Yeah. And this is also very easy to remember, just sudo apt install cp2k. You need root privilege, but that's all. So just run this one line of command and then wait a little bit. Now everything is finished. We could check briefly popt version, and it will give you the CP2K version 6.1. So everything has been successfully installed. Now we can do a small benchmarking. If you haven't watched my video before, basically this is a single point calculation for silicon, and this is basis set, pseudo potentials, and this is the input file. I will not go into detail, which I may cover in next videos. But here I just want to run the calculation and get the timing. So this would be the command to run popt version of the CP2K. So we go into the folder that contains the input files. Before running the code, I would actually recommend that you check what is the MPI version. So the MPI run minus version, and make sure that this is open MPI, because sometimes you may have Intel Parallel Studio installed on your computer, and then you need to deactivate the Intel MPI first. And then use the default open MPI, otherwise it doesn't work. It will just run the same job multiple times. Okay, so here we could use in this command for the calculation, basically MPI run parallel computation, and use 6 cores. Now we want to change the output file name to be popt apt install, and then this would already be the usual command that you use to run the code. But now we want to do some benchmarking, so we add a time command before to calculate how much time it needs. So you see that the real time is 3.4 seconds, and we copy and paste here so that you can compare it with different ways of installation. The user time is actually the total CPU time. That would be the real time multiplied more or less by 6, because we have 6 processes. And the real time is the actual time that the command took. And in the next video, I will show you how to manually compile the popt version of CP2K, and then you will see that the two popt version, one get from package manager, one you get from manual compilation, basically has the same efficiency. Maybe the manual compilation is a little bit higher, but of course for the manual compilation you can optimize the libraries, etc. And in the end it will be more efficient. Another thing is that you see this OpenMP actually has a higher efficiency in my laptop, and also it's not invasive. You just need to download the program, and then that's it. Another thing to check is to go to the output file here, and then in the global tag here you see that there are 6 MPI processes here, which confirms that this installation is successful. So in this video I have shown you how to install CP2K MPI version, which is popt, using package manager in Ubuntu. So in the next video I will show you how to compile everything manually. If you learn something from my video, I appreciate your like or subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time.